is Michelle with Pink and Maine, and today I am so excited to be sharing the contents of our May Crafty Courtyard card kit. This kit, I'm so excited for it. You've asked and we listened. We did a more masculine theme this time, so you can definitely make some masculine cards as well as tons of regular cards as well. I mean, this is just an overall, like, really nice look for anything, really. So its theme is Wear Smile, and we've got some nice, more masculine colors here. We have a red, teal, some brown tones, and some green. And I've added in, to kind of complement those, some gold. So let's go over the cardstock first. I don't have the 2 sheets of white ice rink cardstock, but you're going to get the 2 sheets of white. You're also going to get this tan, brown, green, this embossed red polka dot, which adds a really fun texture. We've got a teal piece of cardstock, and you're getting an entire sheet of our gold sparkle sheets. I know you're going to have a lot of fun with those. You're also going to get 4 white envelopes as usual. I don't have those on hand. Just the craziness of filming and doing some things at home. The office has been closed, so we kind of do things back and forth here. But you're going to get your 8.5 by 11 sturdy mesh zippered project bag. So here I'm going to go over the 6 by 6 paper pad. You get an entire 6 by 6 paper pad. And we give you 24 different patterns. So you have tons of patterns to choose from. You get 2 of each because they're double-sided. Just look at those little crowns. Aren't they cute? We've got some stars, some arrows, some chevrons, some with words. Everything coordinates with the stamp set just beautifully. There's some little t-shirts there. That's just a hint of what's to come. So again, you get a full 6 by 6 paper pad that coordinates nicely with the kit. We have a really nice exclusive sequin mix for this kit. Again, everything coordinates beautifully. The colors all match, and you're just going to have an easy time putting projects together and not have to worry that something matches or not, or goes together. We've got 3 yards of this natural and white twisted twine. We're giving you some exclusive wood veneer pieces. So these were made to match the kit nicely. We have some little hearts and stars, but we also have these little hearts with the rainbow in them. I really love those. You're getting a package of mixed media tags, and these are just fun to play with and create with. So you get this big burlap tag that's at the back. You've got a brown craft paper tag that has some dots at the bottom. We have another smaller tag that's made out of like a canvas material. Really cool. So you'll get some really fun textures in your cards or other projects. And we've got this metal rimmed circle tag. So those are going to be fun to create with. We've got some enamel dots. And again, with all the colors that coordinate with the kit. Here's our exclusive 6 by 6 stamp set in the kit. It has this really fun t-shirt, and all the other stamps fit inside the t-shirt. Now you can use them alone as sentiments on your cards or projects, but you can also stamp them right inside that t-shirt and create some really fun looks. Again, we've got some that are themed purely masculine, but then some that could go either way, any way, all kinds of ways for all kinds of occasions. So we've got Hello Handsome. It's your day. You deserve the royal treatment. You are always in my heart. Looking good with that cute mustache. You are my sunshine. We've got that heart with the rainbow. We've got I love you with the little hand, the sign language symbol for I love you. You're the bee's knees with that cute little bee there. We have a heart, some arrow or chevron, and stars just to add some extra little elements to create your creations. I don't have the actual dies on hand right now. We're hoping to get them really soon. So as soon as those dies come in, we're going to be able to ship this kit, and it should be on time But just to let you know, I am still waiting on them as of right now. But the die is going to be coordinating with the stamp set. So it's going to cut out that t-shirt for you, so you don't have to fussy cut it. And then I've also included a second die that's going to cut out a little smiley face. So you could cut out a smiley face and put that on one of the shirts. You're also going to get an exclusive stencil, and it has this really cool geometric pattern to it. So that's going to be a lot of fun to create with. And you can use our new blender brush and get some ink blending going with this. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. You're also going to get your 1-inch collectible flare button that goes along with our kits, and it'll match the kit perfectly. Again, I apologize, I don't have that on hand, but as you can see, we've got most of the kit here, and I think you're just going to love it. This is just a fun kit you can create for all the men and guys in your life, as well as anybody, really. This is just a really nice overall kit, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. So thanks for watching. You can head on over to pinkandmain.com and grab this kit before it sells out. And until next time, keep living the creative life.